not making the sound yet. Just started. Get close to the curb so you can hear it better. I can take it out of gear, put it on the clutch. Doesn't change the sound. Only thing that changes is how fast I'm going. And when I come to a stop up here, you can hear it until I come to a complete stop.